Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a shortcut to Siri in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the app settings section, click on the add to Siri button. And as you can see, there are some suggested shortcuts listed. So pick one that you want to add to Siri and click on the plus sign next to it. So as you can see, it will be added to Siri. So just click on done, and then it is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.